Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 67 reg VW Golf R estate. Now this is finished in the lovely white silver metallic. It's a 7.5 car, so it's the facelift model. So that basically means we've got the updated front and rear end, obviously lovely LED daytime running lights, and then inside you get the digital cockpit as well, so latest tech inside. And then looking through, obviously Golf R, lovely 5-spoke diamond turned alloy wheels with the black detailing within the centres. They're riding on absolutely fantastic tyres. We've got roof bars on this one as well. We've got a Maxim design rear lip spoiler, which I think just finishes the car off beautifully. Another nice addition, we've got the gloss black mirror caps instead of your silver ones. Now we do actually have the original ones, so if you want to go back to the silver we can easily do that for you, but I think it looks really smart with all the added gloss black detailing to the car. So obviously around the vents we've got all the gloss black there in the centre grille, within the headlamps. But a smart looking car. Looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings, any large scratches. Nice sporty quad exhaust with the gloss black lower diffuser. We've got our front and rear parking sensors on this car. Split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Full parcel shelf, which is nice and easy to operate. The split folding rear seats are just operated via the lever there. Added storage down there as well. But the white silver is a nice colour, one that you don't normally see. We've got the brake calipers within there as well. Now jumping inside, we've got the black cloth sport seat. Now the seats inside, they're in nice order, so it's never been smoked in, no signs of any sort of large rips or tears. Looking at the actual bolsters, they are in lovely order, so they've not collapsed, it's never been smoked in, there's no rips or tears, never had any sort of pets. Illuminated kick plates, tailored floor mats, the vehicle supplied with both keys, a nice service history. Now jumping inside, fit and finish is fantastic. So as I mentioned before, this is the 7.5, so we get the new updated sort of front center console, and then you've got the cockpit there as well. So basically with the digital cockpit you can get your satellite navigation up on there, you can scroll through all your other options, so views, audio, telephone, car status, lap timer as well, driving data, assist systems, and much more. It's a full leather multifunction steering wheel, flat bottomed. Now the previous keepers also added these nice big sporty paddle shifters, which I think look fantastic. And then we've got our 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, park folding mirrors, central lock-in, automatic lights, voice command, Bluetooth phone. We've got our cruise control and speed limiter on this one as well. The cruise control is adaptive, which is fantastic. Coming through to the center display, obviously you can get your sat nav up on there as well. We've got our full DAB radio on this one, all your extended media, so your CD, navigation, SD cards, USB, Bluetooth, and much more. And the whole system is very nice and easy to use. It's very responsive. We've got a digital dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got heated front seats, they come in handy on those colder mornings. Obviously DSG box, in my opinion, one of the best gearboxes on the market today. Obviously you can flick it into manual mode, flick through the gears manually. You can use the flappy paddles on the steering wheel, or if you flick it down again, that puts it into sport mode. But a lovely gearbox. We've got our selectable driving modes, so we're in eco at the moment, we've got normal, we've got race, individual, and when you change the drive select, you definitely feel a difference in the drive. From going into sport to eco, you can feel that difference. The gear ratios are just a lot more stretched. Nice performance, obviously nice drive. Electric parking brake, auto hill hold assist, central cup holders, central armrest with quite a bit of storage within there. Looking through to the rear seats, they're in nice order as well. Isofix in the bottom, lovely central armrest with 2 cup holders. But again, a nice car. I've had the chance to drive this for myself. I can tell you it drives absolutely spot on. We actually took this vehicle in part exchange. So the previous keeper, he's done all the little bits and bobs to it. So the mirror caps, the paddle shifters, and the lovely lip spoiler on the boot. And basically the only reason he got rid of it is because he needed a van. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, if you like more images, if you like a personalised video, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch and we'll happily book you in. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you very much for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.